Having drawn our two shapes, I'm now going to change the color of one of the shapes. So I'm going to select the shape on the right hand side. I'm going to change its color fill to say something different. I'm going to go for a totally opposite color, blue. I want to create the illusion that these two rings are interlinked. At the moment they are just one on top of the other. Now there are several ways I can achieve this effect. One of the easiest ways to take a copy of one of your rings. Now I'm going to go the long way around. I'm going to make a copy of that ring. I'm then going to paste in front. I'm then going to change the stacking order and bring that right to the front. So I now have one ring copy on top of the blue ring. I'm going to go over to my toolbox and I'm going to select the eraser tool. The eraser tool allows you to actually rub out vector graphics. I'm going to mouse down and drag on part of this shape, mouse down and drag on part of the second part of the shape. It divides my original ring into multiple shapes. I'm going to get my selection tool. I'm going to select the larger part of the ring and I'm simply going to do a delete. That leaves me with the effect of interlinking rings.